Hello friends, nice to be back with my new blog. So welcome to my channel Masterclass with Tapas. It is a place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you. Today I will be talk about how to speak effectively, especially when we are used to doing all the things virtually. I will share my learning with you as I am no expert on public speaking skills, but I am also learning during this phase. So, I will be sharing my learning with you so you can improve yourself while doing speaking on virtually through the computer. As we are now doing speaking not in public, face to face, but right from our computer. So, here are some of the tips that might help you as we are participate or leading calls in Skype, Microsoft or Zoom. So be aware of these tips. First, imagine your audience always thinks that your audience is right there and look straight through camera lens and be warm and more lively. Imagine a real person other side as your audience may be in the range of different moods, so try some simple icebreaker to energize and get them focused on what you want to tell them. Relax your face. So if you're talking to your team, be relaxed even if you are going to deliver some hard, tough messages to them. So be relaxed. I know it is very important to show your nerves on the video call, or maybe having small normal chit chat always tries to put up a pleasant Buddha smile. This will actually help you feel more relaxed too, though I know sometimes situation shows in our face too. Then watch your background, always put up a neat and clean backdrop, and watch your eyes always look into the camera while talking. If you look to be neat elsewhere, look at the decks or refer some materials or notes, but make sure that every often that you should look at the camera to be in focus. Then content to this new medium, instead of just delivering information in the same way that we used to do when we are meeting in person, is not the same now. We have to aware that we are talking to the virtual audience, so be make sure of that. Bring your best self even though we are not speaking face to face, but still we need to be project a powerful presence through audio only. So best modulate your voice to whenever is needed. While talking through disruptions, suppose the internet is down, or maybe the laptop is shut down, then you should say, give a moment, I am joining again. One more minute, thanks for your patience. So this should keep engaged with your audience. If your cool and collected audience will be as well important as you, then you might be need some extra energy as your audience is totally captive. They are at home, they are also having some distraction than the normal situation. So moderate your voice and be a little high and then say, hi everyone, I am really excited to get started. Then slow down so your audience can heard you clearly. As an Indian, we tend to speak a little fast when coming to English, as your audience may be having noise background or maybe the poor connectivity, so they should be also given time to understand each word that you are speaking to your audience. Then you always think that they are just there, the audience. Always engage with the audience, ask questions, incorporate some polls, and take feedback opportunities. And be careful about going overboard. You can ask people about their energy level and all those positive knack and those things. Send meeting notes that the people can actually read a brief, concise follow up mail that summarize the action, if any, from the meeting. Make sure that you move the slides slowly after reading through or making important points from the presentation slide, and give a pause so the audience can ask questions related to that particular slide. Then, lastly, dress professionally to make you stand out and you feel a lot better and confident, as these days we are the most of the time in our casual clothes, and if possible to move around in the room while talking to the audience. It will give a lot of positive effect. And always take care of the room lighting, as you speaking virtually is a new kind of challenge for us. It's not easy to hold the audience attention for long time virtually, so it's going to be a very difficult task. So always do some practice before coming to this calls. So friends, what do you think? If you like my thought, give it a huge thumbs up to my channel, comment it, share it and subscribe it. If you like my blog, then obviously do comment on that. Bye till we next time. Thank you. Ciao.